Sophos Firewall is a comprehensive network security device with a zone-based firewall and identity-based policies at its core. Sophos Firewall does not only protect wired networks, but as a wireless controller for Sophos Access Points, can provide secure wireless networking functionality. Protection is provided through a single cloud-based platform, making day-to-day management of all your Sophos products, including Sophos Firewall, easy and scalable. There are features purpose-built to help universities, higher education, K12 and primary or secondary educational institutions overcome key challenges. For example, powerful web filtering policies and built-in policies for child safety and compliance. With Sophos Firewall and SD-RED, you can connect sites across your geographically distributed network. Sophos Firewall works together with Sophos Central in real time. So when either Sophos Firewall or Sophos Central identifies a threat, they work together to provide health and threat monitoring, lateral movement protection, as well as synchronized application control and synchronized security.